In the last lecture we got acquainted with the 6 principles of influence. In this lecture we are going to talk about reciprocation, which lies in the heart of persuasion and convincing. Reciprocation or reciprocity means that people believe that if you did them a favor, helped them in some way, or gave them a gift, they are obliged to respond in the same positive way to you in return. For instance, if your friends invited you to their party, most probably you will want to invite them as well, when you will be planning to host your own event. Reciprocation principle is widely used in marketing and advertising. If you receive a free sample of a product, or a free trial period, or a gift, you are much more likely to explore the product further or buy it. So how does it work when you want to convince someone? Imagine you want to borrow a camera from one of your colleagues or for a couple of days. So before asking, offer him some free tickets to a masterclass or a concert which you accidentally have. If he refuses, say, "Okay, that's a pity," and do not insist. Instead, ask him to borrow his camera. You will see that it will be more difficult for him to reject your request for the second consecutive time. You offered him some free tickets, and now he should offer you something in return. So, most likely, he will lend you that camera. So in conclusion, reciprocity means that if you do something good to another person, they will do something nice to you in return. Thus, when you want to influence another person, just offer him something valuable first. It can be a gift, offer of help, or even your sincere attention. Whatever the case may be, keep in mind that it should be done sincerely.